guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about another melted hairline collection from Outre. This one is Lorena. It's really cute. This one is Elara, and it's 24 inches, you guys. And I have this kind of pretty chunky highlighty wig. So this is like a T-part lace wig, you guys. So you do get like lace around the perimeter and then a lace part in the middle. You do get an elastic band inside, and then two combs on the sides, and then a comb in the back. So this video, I kind of wanted to show you guys my process. I don't do this for all wigs, but some wigs I do. So I do use my hot comb on a low setting. Hot comb is from Amazon. It's on my Amazon storefront, so check that out. The first step that I did was the part was very thin. I don't like my parts thin because then it looks wiggy. So I just took a little bit of hair out of the part and just kind of opened it up so it looks a little bit more natural. And I did that like on both sides, and then I made sure that the part was straight. Once this step was complete, I did go in with the hot comb and I further kind of pressed everything flat. You want to get that part as flat as you can. I find that you can like really press the heat down when it's on a mannequin head, so that's why I like doing it on a mannequin head and not my head. I mean, I still do it on my head sometimes, but like I feel like you can get it really flat when it's on the mannequin head, because she don't get burnt up, okay? So I also do flat iron. I also do go back and I push the hairline back. I just get all the baby hairs out of the way and just push the hair straight back into the hairline. And y'all can see this bad boy comes pre-plucked. Y'all, like, it's super natural. Now this wig is so tight, so I'm taking off a lot of points on this one, y'all. Like, I was having a hard time with her because she was so dang on tight. Like, I mean, I know I have locks and wigs are usually tight, but this one was like excruciatingly tight. Like, it was pulling so bad. I ripped this wig off as soon as this review was over. But if you don't have a big head with me, like this one will be so cute, okay? So I'm showing y'all, how I put the wig on. I just sprayed this in the hairline. Y'all, I do it this way when I know I'm not going to wear the wig long. Like, this was just a review because, like I said, it was too small and I did not want to wear it out. But I still did want to do a review on it, okay? So once that was all, laid down and everything, I went in with the elastic band over top to just further melt everything. And y'all, this one is real cute, which is why I'm upset because the lace was so small. Like, I wanted to cry, okay? Like, I tried to for the baby hairs, I was gonna do no baby hairs, but because the wig was so tight, you can it was like pressing my skin in and you can see the lace. So I'm like, okay, I have to do some kind of baby hair. So I went in for like a minimal look, if you will, and I just did like some wispy baby hairs, okay? Very small, very light, just barely there, okay? So I did go in with some gel. I used the Got To Be Glue gel, and I just kind of like did a little bit. I think I did like 2 or 3 little wispies on each side, and this is just to cover the lace line. Like, I mean, you don't have to do this, but y'all, like, you could see the lace from here to New Mexico. Like, seriously, I was like, girl, what? So I had to do like some type of little swoops, okay? And then I repeated it on the other side, of course. And y'all, this was the finished result. I did what I could, okay? It was given. Now, for the final steps of this wig, y'all know this is like my favorite part, pressing the tinted concealer in. I am using the Ruby Kisses cream concealer. You can get this at your beauty supply, okay? This is in the shade 12. So I just pressed the darker shade in the lace, which helps, blend everything in. And then I put the lighter shade in the part because it does come with 2 different shades in one. So I do use both, y'all. And yeah, that's just pretty much it, okay? This wig, I did have to go in and kind of stuff everything in there. Like I said, this was so tight. Like, Jesus Christ, it was really tight, y'all. So this wig will definitely be in my wig sale coming soon, all right? Now, I do use my brush. I got this from the TikTok shop, but you can get it from Amazon also. Links listed. You know, just check my links, y'all. Check my links. But yes, I really love the front layers in this. They fell really nicely. Like, this is such a cute girly wig, and I just really was feeling it. Now I'm so upset that the wig is small. Like, I don't know how many times I can say that. Your girl is mad about that. But I really like the face framing layers and how it falls, and the color and the length, and just, y'all, this is an all-around bombshell unit, okay? I really did enjoy it, but it's tight, so I couldn't enjoy it all the way. But it was still giving a look. Like, this color alone is so pretty for like the winter time, you know, on dark skinned women. So I was just in love. And here I have my makeup on, so y'all know your girl was really feeling herself. Okay, I did want to show that, you know, even though it was small, this was where the lace landed, but you know, it wasn't really bad. You know, if you were to wear this out, the wind would be blowing and whatnot. But overall, I really like this wig. Unfortunately, I have to give it a 6 out of 10 because it was so small and such a hassle to get on. But the hair and the color and the cut and everything is bomb, my girl. So check this one out, you guys. Let me know what you guys think and down in the comments box. And as always, thank you so much for watching, y'all. Bye.